morning students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, and whatever work we are explaining you are understanding that everything, and the videos you are watching carefully, and you are doing your work properly, and you are learning everything. Okay, today we are going to start the next question, my turn 3. Okay, subject English, class 6th. My turn 3, already I have explained you in my turn 2 about the nouns. Today we are going to learn some more good things in the my turn 3. सो क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट इज यूज़ योर इमेजिनेशन. आपको क्या करना है, आपको खुद का एक कल्पना जो होती है उसका उपयोग करना है. एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स यूजिंग द क्लूज. एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू फिल द गिवन स्पेस विद द गिवन क्लूज. मीन्स आपको कुछ क्लूज दिए गए हैं यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में, तो उसी क्लूज का यूज़ करते हो. बाय यूजिंग दिस क्लूज यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग. ओके, द फर्स्ट इज अ मटेरियल नाउन बिगिनिंग विद द लेटर जी. एक ऐसा मटेरियल नाउन, मैंने आपको बताया था कि मटेरियल नाउन, कॉमन नाउन, प्रॉपर नाउन, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, कलेक्टिव नाउन, कॉन्क्रीट नाउन क्या होते हैं. तो उसके हिसाब से हमें क्या करना है, ऐसे मटेरियल नाउन या कॉमन नाउन जो भी नाउन यहाँ पे आपको दिए गए उन नाउन्स का फर्स्ट लेटर यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. दे हैव गिवन यू द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द नाउन. सो कोई भी वर्ड हो सकता है लेकिन वो मटेरियल नाउन ही होना चाहिए. सो बिगिनिंग विद द लेटर जी. सो जी से स्टार्ट होने वाला लेटर कौन सा हो सकता है, गोल्ड. सो आई विल राइट हियर गोल्ड. Next, second, a common noun beginning with the letter R. Common noun beginning with the letter R. R से start होने वाला common noun कौन सा हो सकता है, ring. Next is question C. Proper noun beginning with the letter B. Proper noun बीरबल. An abstract noun beginning with the letter F. Friendly. Friendship, sorry, FRIENDSHIP, friendship. A collective noun beginning with the letter C, choir. A concrete noun beginning with the letter S, school. Okay, these are the nouns. We have used the first letter of the given nouns, and then we have written the properly the means appropriate nouns in front of the given space. Okay, we have filled this. Now what we will do, to write a short story using the words you have written above. अब आपको क्या करना है, छोटी सी कहानी लिखनी है. ओके, क्या करना है, छोटी जरूरी नहीं है आप यहाँ पे जो जहाँ पे मैंने गोल्ड लिखा है और भी कोई ऐसा मटेरियल नाउन लिख सकते हो आप. तो आपको उन्हीं से संबंधित क्या करना है, ये कहानी लिखनी है, छोटी सी कहानी लिखनी है. जैसे कि यहाँ पे गोल्ड रिंग, बीरबल, फ्रेंडशिप, क्वायर, स्कूल के बारे में कुछ वर्ड्स हैं ये, तो इन्हीं का यूज़ करते हुए हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी कहानी हमें लिखनी है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, you can write the story based on a Birbal. Okay, so try to write the story by yourself. I am leaving this question for you. आप कहीं से भी सर्च करो, कैसे भी करो, लेकिन आपको ये कहानी खुद ही लिखनी हो. ओके, आई एम नॉट हेल्पिंग यू इन दिस थिंग, आई हैव हेल्प्ड यू. मैंने इतना आपको हेल्प किया है, इतना आपको समझा दिया, मैंने ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर दिया आपके लिए. अब इन शब्दों से रिलेटेड ही कहानी आपको क्या करनी है, यहाँ पर लिखनी है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज माई टर्न 4. Yes students, now next question is my turn 4. There are some errors in the following sentences. Correct and rewrite the sentences. Means they have given sentences here. There are some mistakes. Means wherever necessary according to the sentence. If necessary is there, we have to use the capital letter. If there is no full stop, if the word has been written wrong, अगर वहाँ पे शब्द कुछ गलत लिखे हुए हैं तो उन्हें हमें क्या करना है, सही करके उन वाक्यों को दोबारा से दोहराना है. So the first question they have given is A. My mother bought Tina a brand new skirt. यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं my mother brought Tina. Tina का जो T कैपिटल में होना चाहिए था, because this is a proper noun. It is name of a particular girl. Okay, particular person. So Tina T will be capital. My mother bought Tina a brand new skirt. At the end of the completion of the sentence we will put the full stop here. Next, question 2 is, question B is, a flock of musicians walked into the club. Okay, a flock of musicians, some mistake is there, that is a flock. Instead of a flock there will be a band of musicians. So BAND, band of Musicians walked into the club. Walked into the club. Next is question C. I go for dance classes every Saturday. I go for dance classes every Saturday. I am going to write the same thing. I go for dance classes. Now what is the difference we have to do here? What we have to correct here is, this is the spelling of Saturday. Spelling सही है, लेकिन the first letter of the Saturday should be capital. So Saturday, S will be capital. I have written as capital. Then at the last, full stop. Next, my favorite subject is English. In this also, what is the wrong here? English. What the main thing is English. The name of the subject first letter should be in a capital. So my favorite subject is English. E capital. Full stop. Next, question E. I saw a class of fish in the aquarium. So now what is the mistake? Class. Instead of class, what will be the collective noun is wrong. So we have to write as I saw a school of fish. A school of fish in the aquarium. Aquarium. Full stop. Next question F is, do you play the drums? Do you play the drums? Okay. So now I am writing here, do you play the drums? So D will be in a small, drums, question mark. Next is, my mother and father bought me a new dress. What we have to correct here? The M is capital here and the father F is capital here. So what we will do? We will write them a small name. So my mother and father bought me a new dress. Bought me a new dress. Full stop. Okay. Next is, India Gate is in Delhi. Now what is there? Now you can, yes, the D. So it is a common noun, proper noun, and the Delhi. Spelling Delhi is correct, but what the main thing is, D will be capital. So India Gate is in Delhi. D will be capital. Delhi. The bouquet of bees was chasing us. There, here, what is the wrong? The bouquet. The swarm of bees. The collective noun we have to use here is the swarm of bees was chasing us. Was chasing us. Full stop. The window is broken. Here, W is capital. We have to write it in a small letter. The window is broken. Okay, in this way what we have to do? We have to complete this. Okay. Yes, students, after the completion of this, next we will do the next my turn 5 and my turn 6 in next class. So today what you have to do, you have to learn and write my turn 3 and my turn 4, and even I gave you the question too, that you have to write a short story by yourself. You have to write the short story and then you have to send to me the work what you have, which story you have written. Okay. So students, those students who are having the textbook, they can do this work in their textbook. Otherwise you have to write the whole thing in your fair notebook. Maintain Now handwriting, with a neat and fair handwriting, do everything neat, in a neat and fair handwriting. Okay, have a nice day.